Okay, hello and welcome everybody in today's live session. First of all, दिल से मैं सबका शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा. Thank you very much for overwhelming response on all my videos. मैं मतलब सारे feedbacks आपके देख रहा हूँ and many of you are sending feedback that you are liking this session. Plus जो information शेयर की जा रही है आपको कहीं ना कहीं उससे कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन आपका हो रहा है एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज माय गोल. माय गोल इज वेरी क्लियर कि जो भी मैं आपके साथ ये वीडियो के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहा हूँ ये आपको कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प करे एंड लाइक माय मिशन इज टू बेसिकली हेल्प यू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर. और एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए जो इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए वो मैं आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहा हूँ. तो अगर ये प्रैक्टिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके काम में आ रही है आई थिंक ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा प्राइज है या सबसे बड़ा रिटर्न आई कैन टेल यू. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग राइट नाउ. ओके, perfect. So, for those of you who are new here today, my name is Santosh Srivastav, and I'm a digital coach and also a founder of 21st Century Business Hub.com. And I'm on a mission right now to develop at least 100,000 people by 2025 to help them become a digital entrepreneur. Now, when I'm talking about help them become a digital entrepreneur, इसका मतलब बहुत क्लियर है कि मैं ऐसे लोगों को सर्च कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे लोगों की हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ, जो कहीं न कहीं लाइफ के उस फेज़ में हैं, जहाँ पर वो कुछ करना चाहते हैं, where they wanted to control their life in their hand. Okay, perfect. So, like with the responses what I'm getting all from you and also आप में से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं कि जो कहीं न कहीं कुछ शेयर कर रहे हैं कि सर आप why don't you cover this topic, why don't you cover that topic. So one request which I got from someone saying that, sir, why don't you explain about what is digital coaching? Because like I'm a digital coach and many people think about ki exactly digital coaching hai kya. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cover what exactly is digital coaching and how you can become a digital coach. Okay, looks interesting. It would be interesting, I can tell you. Yes, yeah. So I'm going to cover what exactly is digital coaching and how you can become a digital coach. And since this topic is big and lengthy, मैं इस पूरे entire session को दो part में cover करूंगा, part one and part two. And my request to all of you would be, those who are watching live definitely have to go complete session in one go. But those who are watching the recording session of it, please go and complete these two session in one go, because then only you will get the right message. Otherwise, like if you miss that session part one part two थोड़ा gap कर दिया तो हो सकता है कि वो राइट मैसेज आपको ना मिल पाए. तो ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट इन वन गो. ओके, परफेक्ट. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज डिजिटल कोचिंग. अगर मैं डिजिटल कोचिंग की बात करूं, आई थिंक ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि डिजिटल कोचिंग है क्या. बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ अस थिंक कि डिजिटल कोचिंग इज समथिंग रिलेटेड विद कोचिंग पीपल और लाइक कुछ सब्जेक्ट लेकर के आप उसको टीच कर रहे हो समथिंग लाइक दैट. सी आई टेल यू, डिजिटल कोचिंग अगर मैं बात करूं तो डिजिटल कोचिंग इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी बिग. इट्स मच बियॉन्ड what people think about. So coaching, डिजिटल कोचिंग का मतलब क्या है? कोचिंग पीपल डिजिटली, ओके, टू हेल्प देम परफॉर्म बेटर ऑन देयर गोल्स. हर इंसान लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ गोल लेकर के चल रहा है. पीपल हैव देयर गोल, वेदर इट्स अ लाइफ गोल, वेदर इट इज कॉर्पोरेट, आई वुड से प्रोफेशनल गोल और पर्सनल गोल. पीपल हैव गोल और उनके गोल को अचीव करने में या उस गोल को में बेटर परफॉर्म करने के लिए, इफ somebody can help them digitally, and when I say digitally that means that person need not to be present there physically. Okay, and that is what which is more important. So digital coaching is all about you helping somebody with the knowledge what you have got digitally. So आपको फिजिकल प्रेजेंस होने की जरूरत नहीं है. विद द इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाट यू हैव यू कैन पुट इट ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पर लोग जा करके उस इंफॉर्मेशन को लेकर के अपनी अपने गोल को अचीव करने में लाइक कहीं ना कहीं बेटर परफॉर्म कर सके. और यू कैन कोच देम वन टू वन ऑल्सो डिजिटली, जहां पर वो आपके कोचिंग को लेकर के आपके नॉलेज को लेकर के बेटर परफॉर्म कर सके. ओके, और अगर मैं थोड़ा सा इसको और डिलेयर करूं, there are three ways you can do digital coaching. One is digitally, as I said, like you can create a platform online जहां पर यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन कंटेंट जिसके बारे में आप कोचिंग करना चाहते हैं, जिसके बारे में आप लोगों को हेल्प करना चाहते हैं. एंड पीपल कैन गो टू दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. People either can buy the platform or people can reach you out like social media. YouTube is one of the way. So what I'm doing right now is I am reaching you out digitally through social media, Facebook, YouTube, where I'm sharing information to you जो कहीं ना कहीं आपको हेल्प कर देगी. So one way is like you can do digital coaching digitally. Okay, second, one to one also. So if in case you want to become like a digital coach where you can help people one to one, so you can set up tie up with the individual people जो कहीं ना कहीं आपसे कोचिंग लेना चाहता है और आप उसके बाद वन टू वन कोचिंग भी कर सकते हैं और वन टू मेनी एज वेल. where you can utilize the online platform, jahan par you are sitting at one end, and on the other end there are many people who are going through either your courses or either your live sessions, and they are able to take the help from you. So there are these are three ways through which you can do the digital coaching. Now, who is a digital coach? I think ये भी जानना जरूरी है कि exactly digital coach है कौन. So I can tell you digital coach की जहां मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, anybody who has an experience, okay, in the field and ready to help people via digital platform. Now, when I'm saying any individual who has an experience in any field, okay, so ऐसा नहीं कि digital coaching का मतलब you need to be an IT expert or you need to do something which is technically required, तब आप digital coach बन सकते हो. Digital coach, is something which can be applied to all field of our life, whether it is your technical expertise, whether it is your like personal, whether it is your professional. But अगर मैं आपको exactly बताऊं कि digital coach करता क्या है, see, digital coach basically, the job of the main digital coach is to inspire people, is to prepare people, is to provide solution to people, is to help people learn जो उनको रिक्वायर्ड है उनकी ग्रोथ के लिए. एंड डिजिटल कोच की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, या कहीं ना कहीं डिजिटल कोच हेल्प करता है कि जो भी गोल है उसको बिल्ड करने में हेल्प करता है. एंड ऑल्सो डिजिटल कोच हेल्प इंडिविजुअल टू ट्रैक देयर गोल्स. सो इसका मतलब डिजिटल कोच आपके लिए, अगर मैं समराइज करूं, इट्स लाइक इट्स लाइक आई कैन टेल यू कि he is a person who can help you in all way, okay. And that is what which we need to understand, okay. Let me just do one thing, hold on, sorry. Okay, perfect. Sorry. Okay, perfect. So नाउ, एक और चीज इंपॉर्टेंट जानना जरूरी है कि जहां हम डिजिटल कोचिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक सम पीपल ऑलवेज गेट कंफ्यूज विद टू वर्ड्स, कोच वर्सेस कंसल्टेंट. और जहां कंसल्टेंट की बात आती है, पीपल थिंक अबाउट, ओके, कंसल्टेंट के लिए यू नीड टू हैव एन एक्सपर्टीज एंड यू नीड टू हैव राइट नॉलेज, एंड देन यू कैन बिकम अ कंसल्टेंट. सी, आई कैन टेल यू, कोच और कंसल्टेंट में एक एक माइनर छोटा सा, बहुत बहुत छोटा सा डिफरेंस है, जो बेसिकली दोनों के एरिया को एकदम अलग कर देता है. कंसल्टेंट इज समवन, ओके, who has expertise in one area, and consultant को कोई भी आई वुड से काम असाइन किया जाता है, सो दैट कि लाइक वो उसमें एक राइट सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करके, या ही कैन सजेस्ट द रिक्वायर्ड चेंज जहां पर वो काम बेटर तरीके से परफॉर्म किया सकता है. और आई कैन टेल यू, व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ कोच, coach starts with the open ground, and he start with the open ground of possibility कि जहां पर आपकी प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन के हिसाब से आपको वो हेल्प कर सके, आपको गाइड कर सके. सो आई वुड से, फॉर अ कोच देयर इज नो बाउंडेशन कि हाँ एग्जैक्टली दिस इज व्हाट ही हैज टू डू, दिस इज व्हाट ही नॉट नीड नॉट टू डू एंड ऑल. कोच इज समबडी हु कैन गाइड यू टू यूटिलाइज योर ओन ट्रू पोटेंशियल, ओके. एंड जो कोच होता है उसका ऑलवेज, मैं बोलूंगा, उसका जो फोकस होता है वो फ्यूचर पॉसिबिलिटीज को होता है लेकर के, ना कि पास्ट फेलियर को लेकर के होता है. So whatever you might have done it in past, that does not really affect your future. And that is what is coach responsibility or coach function, to make sure कि जो भी individual है उसके future potential को कैसे I would say कि कैसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा utilize किया जाए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसको निखारा जाए, so that he can become a better person. And I can tell you, coach is the person who can guide you from start to end completely. And he not only guide you, he also work with you, he also help you to make you become successful. So coach is like end-to-end solution provider, I can tell you, and it starts with your mindset, or I would say mentally, emotionally, to physically also. And then consultant is somewhere like he need to work in a defined area of the field. Okay. सो कोच का एरिया काफी काफी ब्रॉड एनफ है. और आई कैन ओनली टेल यू कि एज एन कोच, इफ यू थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि हाँ, एज एन कोच अगर मुझे बिजनेस को अपने बिल्ड करना है, या एज एन कोच मुझे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना है, देन यू नीड टू डेवलप योर सेल्फ एज एन टोटल पर्सनालिटी. लाइक इट्स नॉट ओनली वन एरिया वेयर यू फील कि ओके मेरी ये स्ट्रेंथ है, तो इसके अराउंड आई कैन बिकम अ कोच. यस, यू कैन बिकम अ कोच, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू कोचिंग अ पीपल, you need a lot of things. Okay, just beyond subject, I would say only subject will not help you. You need to think about beyond subject as well. And because you're going to work with people, okay, and people के साथ में आपका emotional, mental, physical तीनों level involved होगा, and that is where you need to be smart enough and be, I would say, expert enough to connect with the people at all the three grounds. But I can tell you, scope is huge. Scope is huge, okay, and that is what which I'm going to cover shortly later. But पहले तो मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि बेनिफिट्स डिजिटल कोचिंग के क्या हैं। ओके, अगर अगर डिजिटल कोचिंग के बारे में हम सोच रहे हैं एज अ बिजनेस, तो आई कैन टेल यू द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट इज देयर इज नो बॉस। कोई बॉस नहीं है आपका, यू आर योर ओन बॉस, बिकॉज फर्स्ट थिंग यू आर डूइंग योर ओन बिजनेस। सेकंड इज since you are becoming a digital coach, you need not to work 9 to 5 job. This is one thing. Second, there is no boss. You can define when do you want to work, when you don't want to work. It is something completely on you. There is no time foundation, there is no zone limitation. You can become a digital coach and serve people across globe. And I know many people who are like living in other part of the country, and they are serving people, or they are helping people or coaching people in India as well. ओके, सो देयर इज नो फिजिकल प्रेजेंस रिक्वायर्ड। आप कहीं पे भी रह करके डिजिटली अपने आप को आप आई वुड से कि मार्केट कर सकते हो, एंड पीपल कैन टेक योर सर्विसेज। it works 24 by 7, 365 days, 24 by 7 it works. Even it works when you're sleeping. Agar aapne as a digital coach, you have already created a platform where anybody can go online and access your services, or access your courses, or access your solution, whatever you have made. People can use it and you can make money out of it. So it works while you're sleeping as well. Okay, and I can tell you ki आप जो भी काम करते हो एज अ डिजिटल कोच, वट एवर यू डू दैट बिकम्स अ एसेट फॉर यू। अगर मैं आपको सिंपल एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ, द वीडियो व्हिच आई एम राइट नाउ डूइंग इट फॉर यू, लाइव वीडियो, this video is going to become an asset for me, because this video is going to be there lifelong, I would say, in YouTube and other social media, and people can watch it, people can take help from it. So this video is going to become an asset for me lifelong. Okay, so कुछ भी आप काम डिजिटल एज अ डिजिटल कोच करते हो, where you do something and you put it on the platform where people can access it lifelong later on also, that becomes asset for you. Okay, growth is exponential because when you work digitally, you're not limited to one boundary. Okay, you're not limited to only some people. I can only tell you, sky is the limit for you in case when you're thinking about becoming a digital coach, because your reach can be complete, I would say, global. Okay, and your growth can be exponential. So you cannot relate your growth. Okay, first 3 months what you have grown, so next 6 months you will just grow by 1 time or by 1.5 times. Not at all. You can grow in next 3 months by 5 times or 10 times also. So it is completely dependent on कि आपका अपना सेल्फ बिलीफ लेवल किस लेवल का है, और आप किस लेवल पे इसको बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. ओके, and definitely, as I said, like, your business goes global by default, because when you're going out digitally, you are not able to, you cannot bound yourself only to a local area or a society. So you will grow exponentially, and you will grow global by default. So आपको इसमें ये भी टेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं कि मैं global कैसे जाऊं, because many of the traditional businesses, my elder brother is into a traditional business, and I know his pain when he thinks about growth, कि मैं कैसे एक सिटी से दूसरे सिटी में ग्रो करूं, where it requires physical movement of material, products, and even marketing in different part of city, or even thinking about expanding business globally beyond India. It requires a complete different dimension of considering huge amount of work, which involves logistics, marketing, promotion, sales, and all services, all other things. Now, as a digital coach, you need not to worry about it. You need not to worry about it. You can just grow global by default. Okay, and then I can tell you, your future is secured. Your future is secured because, और ये आपकी सिक्योरिटी इंक्रीज होती जाती है एज यू ग्रो फर्दर, बिकॉज जैसे ही आप ग्रो करते हो एक्सपोनेंशियल, आपका इन्फ्लुएंस बढ़ता है, और प्लस आप काम एक बार करते हो, बट जो आपका एसेट क्रिएट होता है, वो एसेट आपके बिजनेस को फर्दर ग्रो करता है, एंड यू ग्रो exponentially. That means the way you grow, your business grows automatically. You start making more and more income, your influence grows, and your future security also grows automatically. Okay, so there are so many benefits of digital coaching, and I highly encourage and I highly suggest people as well कि अगर आप इस फेज में हो अभी लाइफ के, जहां पर आप कुछ सोच रहे हो कि यस मुझे कुछ करना है, समथिंग आई नीड टू डू, समथिंग आई नीड टू बिल्ड फॉर माई सेल्फ एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, then digital coaching can be one of the area which you can consider, because it would really help you to scale up, one, to build your business fast, second, to scale up your business fast, and third, it can help you to live the life you want, and you can have control of your life in your hand. Okay, so that is the benefit of digital coaching, I can tell you. So so far, are you really finding it interesting? Digital coaching looks good to me. If you feel that this looks good to you, write down in the comment box, it looks good to me. Write down in the comment box, it looks good to me. And if it is not looking good to you, then I can tell you, you got multiple ways, other ways to build businesses. But the digital coaching, I can tell you, अगर मैं अपने बारे में बताऊं, see, I think some of you already know, I've been working with industry for long, last 25 years, and I had many multinational companies as country head and a CEO. And I've seen one thing, corporate ladder में जब आप grow करते हो, you work hard and you grow also, and your salary also increases. But at the same time, I think कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो आपकी लाइफ में आपको वो फ्रीडम नहीं दे पाती है जो आप सोचते हो. You have a boss always, you have a time foundation, and I know what time foundation means, that like as you grow in your corporate ladder, your might be physical work reduces, but your mental work increases. और आप 24/7 काम करना शुरू कर देते हो, right? And then I can tell you, your physical presence is required everywhere. Like your subordinates are looking for you, your bosses are looking for you. So that means ki as you grow, your burden, your stress is increasing further, growing further. And then what I've seen here, when I was thinking about I would say around 5 6 years back, when I was thinking about enough of working with companies, and why not think about building something for my own. फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट इट कम्स इन माय माइंड कि जो मेरी अपनी फील्ड है, लेट्स स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग बिजनेस इन दैट डायरेक्शन. और जब मैंने पहला अपना वेंचर स्टार्ट किया था, दैट वाज रिलेटेड विद इंपोर्टिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सप्लाइंग इट टू सम सप्लायर, मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. आई डिड दैट. बट एक साल के अंदर में मुझे रियलाइज हो गया कि दैट वर्क इज समथिंग विच इज मोर पेनफुल इवन एज कम्पेयर टू जॉब. And then I also tried doing my own consultation, because like जब आपके पास experience हो जाता है 10 15 years का, with that experience you always think about why not do the consultation, like especially in IT field or in some technical field, finance field. Many people in fact think about कि अब वो एक्सपीरियंस आ गया, और इस एक्सपीरियंस को यूज करके व्हाई डोंट वी बिकम फ्रीलांसर, व्हाई डोंट वी बिकम कंसल्टेंट, वेयर वी provide our consultation to people and we can make money out of it. And I can tell you folks, I have already tried that, like with my 15 years of experience when I had around roughly in 2014-15, I did some consultation as well. And I think the outcome what I got at that time was not encouraging, because what I understood one thing, कि आप freelancer as a consultant you can work, I think 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल, but जब तक आप काम करोगे you will get paid, but the moment you stop working you will not get paid. So I was like not able to find an opportunity where I can create an asset for me जो मेरे लिए लाइफ लॉन्ग काम कर सके. But when I saw digital coaching as a business opportunity for me, uh, what something which really attracted me is, first thing, definitely there was no foundation for me, but second something which was very very important is कि आप जो काम कर रहे हो वो आपके लिए एसेट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, and that asset is going to work for you lifelong if you really build it well. So अगर आप अपने लाइफ के अगले 4 से 5 साल, आई कैन टेल यू, अगले 4 से 5 साल आप इसको सही तरीके से यूटिलाइज करके और इन्वेस्ट करने को तैयार हो, देन आई कैन टेल यू दिस 5 year, next 5 year of yours as a digital coach can take care of your rest of the life. That is what is the true potential of being a digital coach. Perfect. Sounds interesting. Write down in the comment box. Sounds interesting, and it is really interesting. Okay, perfect. So I think that's what no, I would say part one of our how to become a digital coach. And because it is very important for us to know कि अगर हमें डिजिटल कोच बनना है तो क्यों बनना है, और डिफरेंस समझ में आना चाहिए कि ऐसा ना हो कि वी फील आवरसेल्फ कि हम कोच हैं या कंसल्टेंट हैं, और क्या बेनिफिट्स है. दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच वाज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू नो. ओके, नाउ लेट मी टॉक अबाउट इन पार्ट 2. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज something which is now take this to further level, why digital coaching is important for you. बिकॉज़ अगर आप डिजिटल कोच बनना चाहते हो तो ये भी आपको जानना ज़रूरी है कि क्यों? बिकॉज़ व्हाई नॉट अदर, देयर आर सो मेनी अदर ऑप्शंस ऑलरेडी. तो व्हाई डिजिटल कोचिंग इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू? Where you can find out your niche, because if you want to become a digital coach you need to have one special area. You cannot become a general digital coach. Okay, it's like a general doctor, and you know, I can tell you, if you go to a general doctor he would be knowing each and everything, but अगर आपको कुछ specialized treatment कराना है and then you go to a general doctor, definitely it will not help you. So you'll go to a specialized doctor. Okay, and जस्ट चेक इट आउट। अगर आपको कोई स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रीटमेंट कराना है, you'll go to a specialized doctor. But if I ask about the fees, a general physician fees and a specialized doctor fees for consultation, you'll find it there would be a huge difference into it. That means अगर आप किसी particular special area पे काम कर रहे हो as an specialized person, you would be treated something different, your charges can be something different, you can make more money as compared to being a general person or a person having all the knowledge. Okay, so that means you need to have a special niche of yours, and I'll help you out कि कहाँ से आप ये niche ढूंढ सकते हो, आपकी niche क्या हो सकती है. And I'm also going to tell you about like who can become a digital coach. Okay, who can become a digital coach, and what is the next move forward कि अगर आपको आप decide करते हो कि yes you want to become a digital coach, what is the next move forward for you where you can take this step further and become a digital coach. Okay, perfect. So let's start the part 2. And first what I'm going to talk about is why digital coaching is important for you. Okay, पहली चीज तो ये समझना जरूरी है कि we are already going through a pandemic scenario, you all know, and COVID-19 has impacted everybody, everybody. And I think जितने लोग job कर रहे हैं, they also know how it has really impacted them. Whether your job is safe or unsafe, you know you got impacted big time. And when I'm talking to businessmen or entrepreneurs who are already doing their own businesses, you also know that how your business has got impacted because of COVID-19, right? I hope you all agree with me. Now, let me tell you, next 10 year, next 10 years is going to be something which would be, completely belonging to digital entrepreneurship. That means next 10 years, there is going to be a huge requirement of digital coaches in different fields. Why? Because when there is a need to do something or do everything as in digital, then that means there is a requirement of people who have an expertise कि कैसे आप किसी भी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में अपने बिजनेस को बिल्ड कर सकते हो, अपने आप को ग्रो कर सकते हो और या स्किल सेट लर्न कर सकते हो. There is a need of digital coaches. So that means कि next 10 year there is going to be a huge requirement for digital coaches. Second is future is digital and present non-digital generation. जितने भी businessman है, जितने भी I would say young generation है या I would say middle age generation है जो आज के दिन कुछ करना चाह रही है, they have to do that thing as a digital. Now problem ये है कि whatever is our education or upbringing which is already had happened right now, uh, we need to upgrade ourselves now. Skill set को upgrade करने के लिए digital coaches are required. So future, I can tell you one thing, there would be huge requirement of digital coaches. People would be looking forward for digital coaches in each and every field, and I'm going to talk about is कौन सी field है जहाँ पर digital coaches लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं, आज की डेट में ढूंढ रहे हैं. Okay, and then I can tell you the market is completely untapped. When I'm talking about India especially, market is untapped as of now, and there is a huge potential especially in digital coaching area. And if you're thinking about कि आप कैसे डिजिटल कोच बन सकते हो, कौन से डिजिटल कोच बन सकते हो, you're going to get answer very shortly. But at the same time understand market is untapped, and the best way to enter yourself into an entrepreneurship is enter in an area which is untapped right now, because that is where you got huge potential. Okay, and every area needs a coach to help people. Income growth, I can tell you, you cannot imagine कि income growth क्या हो सकती है. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा इतना glimpse बताऊंगा. I'm not going to claim anybody's name here because that is something about like favoring somebody, but I can just tell you the potential of making income through digital coaching is like in an 1 to 2 years of time, 1 से 2 साल के अंदर you can easily make an income of somewhere in between 10 lakh to 1 crore easily. In an 1 year of time, you can make 10 lakh to 1 crore rupees of income easily as a digital coach. Okay, if you really build it well. And the best part, what I feel actually, is through digital coaching, you're not trying to sell something unnecessarily to people, you're trying to help people. And I like this is what something which really attracted me. We always try to avoid ourselves with those people जो कहीं ना कहीं आपके पीछे पड़ जाते हैं. They try to sell some product, they try to you become part of their businesses and something like that. And this is something which nobody's like it. But as a digital coach, you're not doing that. You are trying to help people with the values, with the skill sets, with the expertise what you have got, and that is something which is good, I would say, because everybody would like to do. Everybody likes to help people in some way. और अगर आप अपनी नॉलेज से किसी की हेल्प कर सकते हो, किसी को बेटर बना सकते हो, I would tell you कि this is the best thing to do, and I like this. Okay, so you are going to help people very clearly as a digital coach. Another important point is what you're doing today does not matter. Okay, if you're thinking about कि digital coach के लिए आपकी आपकी expertise इस field में नहीं है, 99% of digital coaches globally, if I am talking about, I'm not even talking about India, 99% of the digital coaches which you know as of now, today, as of today, they were not expert in those fields like when they started as a digital coach. That means it does not matter what you are today, what kind of strength you have, what kind of skill sets you have. It just required 3 months time for you to become a digital coach in any area which you choose or you decide. Okay, 3 months time. So that means scope is used, and then you can decide to get into any field, and 3 months is the time where you can take the expertise and become a digital coach. Okay, sounds interesting? Write down in the comment box again, like, looks good to me. Looks good to me. And it is really interesting, really interesting. Okay, every person, and one important point, every person has a unique strength or a passion or a hobby or something which drives them. आज के डेट में अगर आप बोलोगे नहीं, लाइक आई आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग, मुझे कुछ ड्राइव नहीं करता है, मेरा कोई पैशन नहीं है, मेरी कोई हॉबी नहीं है, मेरी कोई स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, आई कैन टेल यू, आप अपने आप को नहीं पहचानते हो इसका मतलब। अगर आप अपने आप को पहचानोगे, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू लाइक, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ड्राइव्स यू, ओके, व्हाट इज योर पैशन. So I think you need to find yourself. But I can tell you, every person has got some uniqueness into it. बस अगर आप अपनी वो यूनिकनेस पहचान लें, और या आप ये समझ लें कि आपको ड्राइव क्या करता है, हो सकता है वो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ ना हो इस समय, बट वो आपको ड्राइव करता है, लाइफ लॉन्ग आप उसको कैरी ऑन कर सकते हो अगर आपको वो कोई सिखा दे, या आप वो चीजें अगर सीखने का मौका मिल जाए तो आप सीख करके लाइफ लॉन्ग उसको कैरी ऑन कर सकते हो. दैट विल बिकम योर एरिया टू बिकम अ डिजिटल कोच, वेर यू कैन लर्न फर्स्ट एंड देन यू कैन help people learn that as well. Okay, so that is why digital coaching is important for you. These points are like something which is very very big, and it can I think clearly help you to decide why you should become a digital coach. Okay, next let me again deep dive into where to find your niches. Now आपको ये तो समझ में आ चुका है डिजिटल कोच बनना क्यों है. अब ये भी जानना जरूरी है कि मैं किस फील्ड में डिजिटल कोच बनूं. So first point, you need to define. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं कहाँ से ढूंढूं, I'm not going to talk about कि like there are 100 or 150 niches which you can decide and select. I'm going to give you, as a gift actually at last. But what you can do is you need to find out first. Sit, आप अकेले बैठिए एक बार, sit alone, और बैठ के सोचो आप, what is that which drives you? आपको क्या ड्राइव करता है लाइफ में? कोई ऐसी चीज जो आप देख करके एंड यू गेट एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, आपको लगता है बस यार ये मुझे मिल जाए, यार ये अगर मेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाए, देन आई कैन लिव लाइफ लॉन्ग. व्हाट ड्राइव्स यू, फाइंड इट आउट. और यू नीड टू डिसाइड व्हाट इज योर पैशन. क्या है जिसको लेकर के आप बिल्कुल लाइक लाइफ लॉन्ग जो है, यू वांट टू गेट इनटू इट, एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच रियली मेक्स यू एक्साइटेड कि अगर ये मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं इसको लाइफ लॉन्ग कैरी ऑन कर सकता हूँ. या अगर आप कोई भी काम कर रहे हो और आपको दिखता है वो काम हो रहा है, तो ये जो समथिंग व्हिच इज योर पैशन, एंड योर माइंड कंप्लीटली गोज अप देयर. You need to find out what is your passion, what drives you, or what you like to do if you get a chance. Okay, and you can also think about कि what are your hobbies. कौन सी ऐसी आपकी hobbies हैं जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये मेरी एक ऐसी hobby है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से आती है. Okay, which I can help people to learn as well. And I know many people, many of you who has got fantastic hobbies, और आप उसमें बहुत अच्छे हो भी. Let's say अगर मैं example बताऊं, somebody knows how to play a guitar, somebody knows how to play piano, somebody knows how to sing a song, somebody knows how to crack jokes. Now all these are hobbies, but these hobbies can become a profession as well. ओके, सो वही मैं बता रहा हूँ कि कई बार होता है कि हमें लगता है कि हम मेरी कोई स्ट्रेंथ है ही नहीं है, बट एवरीबडी हैज गॉट अ स्ट्रेंथ, यू नीड टू जस्ट फिगर इट आउट. ओके, सो यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन कि आपकी निच कहाँ से मिल सकती है. पहला, आपको क्या ड्राइव करता है, आपका पैशन क्या है, व्हाट यू लाइक टू डू, if you get a chance, what are your hobbies जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छे हो, okay? And even you can decide your niches from what is trending today. आज के डेट पे क्या ऐसी चीज है जो ट्रेंडिंग है एंड वो आपको अच्छी भी लगती है. अगर आपको लगता है ये ट्रेंडिंग है और ये आपको अच्छी भी लगती है, यू कैन डिसाइड टू बिकम कोच इन दैट. And first you gain your knowledge and then you can help people to learn that as well. Or you feel about, or you can think about ki, what is that which future is looking for. Like I just said, digital entrepreneurship is something which future is looking for, or digital coaches are the one which people are looking for. Similarly, you need to analyze आने वाले फ्यूचर में कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, एंड आउट ऑफ दैट व्हाट इज दैट व्हिच ड्राइव्स यू. ओके, एंड दैट कैन बिकम अ एरिया फॉर यू टू एक्सप्लोर एंड बिकम अ डिजिटल कोच इन दैट. एंड आई कैन ओनली टेल यू कि अगर आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं कि यार मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, वो कर सकता हूँ, एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन, ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा ये अनकॉमन है. आई हैव गॉन थ्रू विद ऑल द फेजेस एंड दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट एनी पॉइंट, it is always practical because I think this is what which happens with people. So अगर आपके माइंड में थॉट्स बहुत सारे हैं, but every thought has got some hurdle, some problem in it, this is something which is common because every idea comes with a associated problem. कोई भी आइडिया आपके माइंड में आएगा उसके साथ एक प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि वो प्रॉब्लम आपको आपके अराउंड है, सिर्फ आइडिया में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कोई भी आइडिया आपके दिमाग में आता है, इमीडिएटली आपका ब्रेन आपकी प्रेजेंट नॉलेज के हिसाब से उसको इवैल्यूएट करता है, और इवैल्यूएट करने के बाद आपको साथ में एक प्रॉब्लम भी दे देता है. You want to become a digital coach in certain area, at the same time you'll also get a feedback from your mind. You're not strong in that, you can't talk good, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छी नहीं है, यू आर इंट्रोवर्ट इन नेचर, सो यू कांट डू दैट. सो ये ऑटोमेटिकली जो आपके माइंड में जो हर्डल आ गया, ये हर्डल आपकी जो आइडिया को इमीडिएटली ब्लॉक कर देता है. And to make it easy for you, I have I can tell you, I have a course which is called Mind Clarity Blueprint. And it's like a 2 days course kind of thing, and this 2 days course will help you unlock your mind, and it will help you understand कि आप अपने माइंड से थॉट प्रोसेस को कैसे क्लीन कर सकते हैं, एंड हाउ यू कैन एग्जैक्टली डिफाइन दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू दैट, और ये कैसे करूंगा, किस तरीके से करूंगा. सो दिस माइंड क्लैरिटी ब्लूप्रिंट विल एग्जैक्टली हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि बिजनेसेस आज की डेट में कैसे हो रहे हैं, आने वाले समय में बिजनेस कैसे होने वाले हैं, what are the ways through which you can become an entrepreneur, how do you clarify your mind, how do you clear your mind, जहां पर आप फाइनली चीजें अपने लिए पिक एंड चूज कर सको, डिसाइड कर सको दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू दैट, and also how you will build it up in next 3 months of time. That is also this mind clarity blueprint will help you. And to access this course, I have created a test, and there is a link which is given here. You can just click that link, or you can copy and paste that link in your website and do the test. This is like some 13-15 questions test, which automatically evaluates your state of thinking. And post that test completes, you will get codes and some other links through which you can go to my learning platform, and you can take this course, 2 days course, complete this course, which will help you clarify your mind. Because I can tell you one thing, बहुत सारी चीजें आप सोच सकते हो, बहुत सारी चीजें आपके माइंड में रहेंगी, बहुत सारी चीजें आती और चली जाती हैं, बट unless and until you clarify your mind, you make your mind very clear that this is what I exactly want it, आपका mind कभी भी आपको decide करने में help नहीं करेगा. Your mind is only supposed to give you information, that's it. You need to decide. Okay, so this is where you can find your niche. And next, let me also tell you who can become a digital coach. And when I was drafting this, who can become a digital coach, I was just literally thinking about कि अभी हम कोई भी बिजनेस करने के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो सबसे पहले माइंड में अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज आती है, अपनी लिमिटेशंस आती हैं, क्वालिफिकेशंस आती है, एक्सपर्टीज आती है, लाइक वेदर यू आर बीटेक, वेदर यू हैव दिस डिग्री और नॉट, हाउ मेनी इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस डू यू हैव, or like all these things comes into it, like. But I can tell you, when you think about becoming a digital coach, I think the requirement or qualifications are as low as anybody can get into it. So I think anyone who has a dream to become something and his dreams are still alive, he can become a district coach. Okay, very funny, but yeah, this is true. This is true. Anybody who has a dream alive, still alive in his brain, in his heart, he can become a digital coach. Anyone who is of 18 plus years of age, he can become a digital coach. Anybody who is ready to learn digital technology, when I say digital technology, that means working through digitally. Okay, growing your businesses digitally, ready to work digitally, because you are going to become a coach and going to reach out people on a digital platform. Okay, online. That means anybody who is ready to learn. आज आपके पास नॉलेज नहीं, ये मैटर नहीं करता, बट अगर आप रेडी हो सीखने के लिए, then you can become a digital coach. Okay, anybody who is ready to change himself. What you are today, as I said like earlier, what you are today does not matter. What matters is, are you ready to change yourself? अगर आप अपने आप को चेंज करने के लिए तैयार हो, then you can learn what is required for you to become a digital coach. So if you're ready to change yourself, you can become a digital coach. Okay, sounds good? Write down in the comment box. Sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Perfect. And then next is anybody who is ready to invest. And when I'm talking about investing money and investing time both. Anybody who is ready to invest time and money, he can become a digital coach. Or not. And now when I'm talking about investing money and investing time, I'm not expecting investing money means you need to invest lakhs and crores of rupees to become a digital coach. Not at all. Not at all. You can just invest money, as like, even I would say, just a fraction of what you are making as an income right now through your traditional businesses or your job. Just a fraction of it अगर आप invest करने को तैयार हो, and some part of your time from your daily routine अगर आप invest करने को तैयार हो, then you can become a digital coach. I am not even expecting that you leave your existing profession and then invest your full time to become a digital coach. Not at all. I'm not even expecting that you take out some lakhs and crores of rupees as a loan and then invest into it and then become a digital coach. Not at all. What you need to do, whatever you are earning as a time and money, time every day, 24 hours, and money every month, just fraction of it, decide to invest into digital coaching, and then you can become a digital coach. Okay, anybody, I can tell you, who is ready to leave the present tag as well. ये एक बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट है, because I've seen many people who are not able to succeed. They try so many things but they are not able to succeed because कहीं ना कहीं उनकी लाइफ का जो प्रेजेंट टैग है वो उसको छोड़ने को तैयार नहीं है या उससे कंप्रोमाइज करने को तैयार नहीं है. Okay, let me put it like this. You already have a business right now which is just running for you, okay, and when I say time is changing and you need to think about becoming a digital entrepreneur, that means अगर आपका जो business अभी भी कर रहे हो उसको कैसे आप digitally convert कर सको. Now when you do this transition, your existing business might get impacted somehow. अब अगर आपका existing business थोड़ा सा impact होगा, there might be some losses also. Now are you ready to leave that present tag? यार ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा लॉस होगा, थोड़े कस्टमर लूजूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, but I need to do this transition because if I don't do it today, I have to do it tomorrow by force. और let's say अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो, you are in a job somewhere and you have a certain tag as a job, I might be an assistant manager or whatever position you're carrying right now, you're getting a salary. Now you're also seeing a threat right now कि job मेरी कब तक रहेगी मुझे पता नहीं है. Future looks to be uncertain and I need to build something for myself. But at the same time, you're not ready to invest your time and money or even your growth in the job also. You don't want to compromise कि नहीं job में तो मैं पूरा time दूंगा because job की growth मेरे लिए ज़्यादा important है. I want to grow every year. I want to take promotion. So ये जो मेरा present tag है ये बहुत important है. मैं इसको touch नहीं कर सकता हूँ. And then I also wanted to grow there. I can tell you, it would be very very difficult for you to become successful as a digital coach. अगर आप अपने प्रेजेंट टैग को छोड़ने के लिए तैयार हो कि ठीक है अगर ग्रोथ नहीं भी होगी, एक साल मेरी जॉब में हो सकता है ग्रोथ ना हो, आई वुड बी वट एवर वेर एवर आई एम राइट नाउ टूडे, आई वुड बी देयर ओनली, आई नॉट ग्रो नेक्स्ट 1 year, दैट्स फाइन, लेट मी ट्राई next 1 year, grow my digital coaching business, then only you can grow. So you have, so those who are ready to leave or compromise their present tag of the life what they are today right now, they can become a digital coach and they can become a successful digital coach. Okay, so all of you with me till now, write down in the comment box with you, because I am pretty sure like those who are with me till now, mentally, physically and emotionally, they are going to get benefit out of it. बिकॉज अगर आप इस लाइव सेशन को या इस सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग आप देख रहे हैं, यू जस्ट वाचिंग इट टू सी ओके व्हाट इज देयर, लेट मी सी अगर ये मेरे लायक है या नहीं। आई कैन टेल यू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली इन्फॉर्मेशन ही होती है। कुछ लोगों के लिए इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो वैल्यूएबल इन्फॉर्मेशन बन जाती है, कुछ लोगों के लिए जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन बन के रह जाती है। इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आप उसको कैसे अपनी लाइफ में लेते हो। एंड आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन वन थिंग, wherever I get any information, I go through it with an open mind, thinking I will learn something. And even if I get one point out of it, I always feel happy that yes, I got something additional in my life जो मेरी लाइफ को थोड़ा बेटर बनाने में हेल्प करेगी. Okay, so write down in the comment box with you. Perfect, good. So let me now move forward. uh, what is the action forward? अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि अब आपको ये चीज अगर अब मैं समराइज करता हूं, अगेन व्हाट वी डिस्कस राइट नाउ इन पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2, what is digital coaching that we already covered. Who is a digital coach? I think that also we covered it up कि कौन है जो डिजिटल कोच, जिसको हम डिजिटल कोच बोल सकते हैं. Then we also discussed about what is the difference in between a coach and a consultant. Okay, later on then we discussed about what are the benefits of a digital coaching. Like अगर आप डिजिटल कोच बनना चाहते हो तो क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं जो आपको मिल सकते हैं इससे. Okay, then we part 2 we discussed about why digital coaching is important for you. Then we also discussed about where to find out your own niche, because अगर आप digital coach बनना चाहते हो तो you need to have a particular niche and a special area जहां पर आप अपने आप को as a digital coach grow करोगे. That means you need to find out. Now where do you find out? That I also covered it up already. Then I also discussed about who can become a digital coach, the qualification, the expertise, skill sets required, that I already discussed that part also. Now the last point which I'm gonna discuss about is how to move forward. आपका action forward, let's say way of action क्या होना चाहिए, या move ahead action plan क्या होना चाहिए. First thing, if you want to become a digital coach, my first recommendation to you would be you need to find out a coach who can help you with the knowledge first, because in today's digital world, the blessing and disguise is like you got overwhelming information available everywhere. Today you go to Google and type what is digital coaching and you find tons and tons of information. आप एक दो तीन चार पांच तक पढ़ोगे, उसके बाद you will get confused and you will say okay, leave it now. So digital coaching, which was a which might would have been like a good future for you, you will just leave it by getting overwhelming information through digital online. Okay, so that means first you need to find out a coach who can really help you with the right knowledge first कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. Okay, and अगर आप ये करते हो then I can tell you one thing. If you talk to me right now, as I already given you, I have a course which is called Mind Clarity Blueprint, which I already discussed about. You can go through with that Mind Clarity Blueprint 2 days course which will help you understand exactly what do you want, what kind of businesses are growing, आपका फ्यूचर क्या है, आपको किस तरह का बिजनेस चूज करना चाहिए, हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट योर ओन निच, कैसे आप अपने गोल को सेट करें, सारी चीजें आप इस कोर्स के थ्रू कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. ओके, then next is about like you need to learn the real science, you need to learn the real science behind becoming a digital coach, because like everything has got a science, everything has got a science. And if you want to become successful in any field, you need to understand the real science behind that success. और अगर आपने वो समझ ली तो I think उसके बाद rest is just a process for you to complete. So when I'm talking about digital coach, you need to clear your mind and your niche, कि आपका माइंड क्लियर एग्जैक्टली आपको क्या करना है, किस फील्ड में काम करना है, ये क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. सेकंड, you need to develop your own blueprint to become a digital coach. अगर आपको डिजिटल कोच बनना है, इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ गूगल मैप वेयर यू आर टुडे एंड वेयर यू वांट टू बिकम एज अ डिजिटल कोच. नाउ यू नीड टू हैव अ ब्लूप्रिंट रेडी फॉर दैट. Exactly, this is what you need to do as in step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5, and that is where you become a successful digital coach. So you need to develop a blueprint. Okay, and third is build your business step by step under your mentor guidance. जो आपका मेंटर है, जो आपका कोच है, वो आपको गाइड करेगा. सो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स विच यू रियली नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू नीड टू लर्न टू start your business as a digital coach. And then third thing which comes up is you need to make it work also. आपने अपने बिजनेस का ब्लूप्रिंट बना लिया, आपने बिजनेस को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सेट भी कर लिया. नाउ देन देयर वुड बी अ टाइम पीरियड वेयर यू हैव टू मेक योर बिजनेस वर्क, where it starts generating business for you and it starts giving return to you. Okay, so that is something which you need to define. But all these things which you, if you really wanted to do that, you need to understand, you need to have a coach who can guide you how you can become a successful digital coach. He will help you to develop your own blueprint. He will help you to develop the define, all these steps for you. He would help you to implement those steps where you can have your business ready to run. He would in fact help you to make it work for you. Okay, so you got the task now. You need to find out a digital coach for you, and that digital coach would help you first to gain the knowledge. Knowledge part is very important for you, and knowledge, right knowledge. Okay. Now, last, I've got a gift for you. So, as I said, like that gift is something. As I said, like I'm already a founder of 21st Century Business Hub, where I've got multiple courses and multiple education material, which really helps people to gain right knowledge to become entrepreneur. Okay. Now, what I can suggest you right now, as I said, like there is a test which I have already given you 2 times. This link is there, and this link you'll find it if you're seeing the recording version of it. You'll find it in the description as well, or screen pay. You can see it here. If you're able to click it, you can click it. If you're not able to click it, you can just copy and paste and go to the website and paste it there. Complete this test. और ये टेस्ट जब आप कंप्लीट करोगे, you will get directed to my learning platform where the courses are there, and courses are costly very clearly, but I had just given maximum thing what I can give it from my side. So when you're doing your course, please try to give answer as correct as possible, because the all the answers are being evaluated on the backend side, and automatically you get either discount, or you get free access, or you get a lot of things will happen. So you, whatever you get as an discount or as an access kind of thing, I would suggest please take it. Go to the learning platform, take the course, and complete that course for you. Once you complete that, now what I'm gonna give it to you right now as a gift is mind clarity blueprint. Is something which is very very important for you right now to go ahead straight away. If you want to become a digital coach, this is a must thing for you, कि आपके माइंड में क्लैरिटी लाना जरूरी है कि मुझे करना क्या है और कैसे करना है. ओके, सो दिस कोर्स, इफ यू डू इट लाइक थ्रू दिस टेस्ट, if you go it and you get right marks automatically, then you will also get some bonuses from my side, and that is like how do you set your goal. आप अपने गोल को कैसे सेट कर सकते हैं, आप अपने निच को कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि जिसके अराउंड आपको काम करना है, आपके मल्टीपल सोर्सेस ऑफ इनकम का ब्लूप्रिंट क्या होगा. अगर आप बिजनेस सेट करना चाह रहे हो, तो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने से पहले ये भी समझना जरूरी है, you should not end up your business just like any other job. And when I say any other job, that means आप जॉब करते हो, जॉब करके you create only one source of income. You work for the job whole day and whole night, and at the end of the month you get a salary from one source only, your job. But think about a businessman. A successful businessman never ever depends on one source of income. At every month he gets income from 7 to 8 different streams of businesses, or stream or 7 to 8 different sources of income. So what are those sources for you? So you need to learn कि कैसे मैं अपने लिए multiple sources of income को जनरेट कर सकूं. ओके, एंड देन लास्ट इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस सक्सेस ब्लूप्रिंट, कि आप अपना जब बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए प्लान करोगे टू बिकम एज अ डिजिटल कोच, व्हाट वुड बी योर सक्सेस स्टेप्स व्हिच यू हैव टू गो थ्रू. So go ahead, do the test, and I wish you get the good, evaluation where you get the promo code which gives you maximum discount, or even you get it free of cost. And my request to all of you would be, please complete this course. Don't just take it for the sake of okay आपको like many of us try to get information only. Don't do it only just to get information, because मैं आपको already बहुत सारी information दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. And even if you take these information as courses, it will not help you. It will only help you if you take these informations to implement for yourself. Okay, so go ahead and complete the test, and I would love to see some of you becoming successful going through with these courses and becoming a digital coach, and it would be love to meet you one day listening your success story. It was great talking to all of you, and as I said, the link for doing the test is already there in the description box or even on the screen. Please click that link, do the test, go ahead and take the courses, complete the courses. Okay, अगर आप ये कोर्स कंप्लीट करते हैं, then I can tell you with assurity that your mind would be much clear कि exactly आपको करना क्या है. And आई वुड से नेक्स्ट, अगर आपको लाइफ के 3 दिन, अपने 2 से 3 दिन इन्वेस्ट करने हो अपने माइंड की क्लैरिटी के लिए कि एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है, इट इज मच मोर वाइसफुल. ओके, सो आई विश यू do the test and you take the test and you go ahead and complete the course, and I would love to see you and meet you again as a successful person.